Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a dash circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the shape tool, right click on your mouse, click ellipse tool, then select fill color. Do not use fill color, stroke color, and select your stroke color. I use example black. Then click the drop down stroke options and select. Now we can see this line, dash line, dot line. Use dash line. Press enter. Hold shift, click and drag it, or do not hold shift or custom size. Increase the size or dash line. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Hold shift.